Let's get right to it, guys. We have to do update for SMCI for today. Before we continue further, remember our content here is just for education purposes and we don't provide any financial advice, and nothing shown here is guaranteed for profit. So first of all, guys, SMCI is moving right around the resistance that we discussed early this week. And of course, we hit the $50, or we have even almost the $52, and now we're still holding the $50, the price that we should hold for this week. So where the price will go, the volume is picking up. We have 1% jump. So this is not enough, because as you can see here, we have a lot of sellers just once we hit the $51 around this orange line. So we have to discuss in today's video where the price will go. Let us go in a big picture, guys, and show you what's going on here. Yes, we've got a breakout. However, on the 1 hour chart, we still have a huge wick here, and we didn't even close over this level. Let me just show you. We got some levels that we should actually hold over. So we kind of broke the resistance here around the 50.56, and we're still holding over this level. Now what we should expect, or what we should do, is of course holding over the 49.68. And as you see here, we have this ascending channel that we've been bouncing from since the beginning of this month, around the 7th of July or beginning of this week. We have a reversal from the 46, then the reversal from the 47, and now we have a reversal from the 49. And of course, we're waiting for the next jump over the 51 and go where? Toward this level around the 57.50. So we might have it for today if we held the 49, and we might do 13%. This will be the genuine jump that we actually waiting for SMCI. So first of all, we got 13% here, and the second one we have 30% around the $66. So how we could play this? First of all, as we said, we need to hold over this white line, and preferably over the 49.68, and then continue toward the 57. And of course, this is the technical side, and as you can see, we got a lot of news going on with AI server demand, and we have a lot of AI news related for SMCI. That's why many AI stocks actually started to jump. And of course, the main one is AI, the stock that actually did a really great job last year, and now started to reverse after the good earnings that we have on the 28th of May. Now we have a little pullback. But overall, guys, SMCI doing all right and holding the current support over this level. And of course, yesterday, guys, we discussed Delta Air before the earnings, and we discussed this jump on our Discord. If you don't know, now you know, guys. We did this update yesterday on our Discord and Bitcoin for warning our hunters for a potential breakout from the 53.30, and of course we did that, and we did almost 14%. We hit the 56, and now is around 11% up. Again, the link comment section below, guys, for our updates for those kind of stocks. And of course, the earnings season is coming up next week. We have PayPal, we have many stocks, Tesla, you name it, all of them reporting earning this month and the next month, of course. So the earnings season will come up, the volatility will come up, so we have to be ready for this. And of course, Dexter doing really good, taking profit on proc, as we discussed this one early on for today for our hunters on our unicorn channel on our Discord. We discussed this one breakout on the 540, and we said the 594 is the profit taken. And now after we hit this level, guys, we went down from the $5.95, and we went down. It was really good for entry and exit really quick for proc, guys. As we said, we do swing trade and of course day trade even after we finish our live streaming that we do daily on YouTube 30 minutes before the market open, and we continue the hunt after that because the market is not closed. Close around 10 p.m. Central European time. So always there's opportunity. So if you miss the opportunity in the pre-market, there is during the market. If you miss the opportunity during the market, there is after we finish our live streaming and before the market close. The link comment section below, guys, if you want to join. And of course, see you by tomorrow to discuss the market, discussing SMCI. If we got another jump by tomorrow, because we expect a jump. If we have another good news, we might have a nice jump from the 50.97 or around the 51 and go toward almost the $60. So hit the like, subscribe, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section below. Are we gonna have a genuine buying pressure this time, this month, or this week before the end of this trading session for Friday tomorrow or not? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow, guys.